All right guys, so today let's unbox and take a look at the foam-filled alien Halloween prop that you can find online. This seems to be like the standard life-size alien Halloween prop that you can find on all different kinds of websites. We found it on Amazon, on Walmart, and some specialty Halloween shops as well. Horror Dome, Fright Props, so you can find it all over. We picked this up for about 160 bucks and we actually got it on Amazon. They said it would ship in about a week. We got it in about 3 days, so really quick shipping, and today we're going to unbox it. So I need to lay this thing down because it's in about a 4-foot box. We are going to be doing some Halloween videos coming up, September and October. In our household, we're prepping for our home haunt. I will have attraction reviews coming up. I will have resort reviews coming up as well, but mixed in there, we're going to do some Halloween stuff as well, so I hope you like that type of content. So let's get this thing laid down and unbox it. All right, it's actually packaged in like 2 boxes put together. So I'm going to get this tape off of here first, and we're just going to kind of see how this comes apart. There's actually 2 boxes slid into one. So I think I need to get this top section actually off, or to slide up and off. So we're going to try to do that first. Yeah, this top section just kind of slides open and off here. And we should be able to open up this bottom section now. Or actually, he'll just slide right out. So I'm just going to slide him right out here and see what he looks like. Oh, nope, he won't just slide right out. We actually do have to open up the box. So I'm going to cut open this top section. We're going to take the box basically all apart. Oh yeah, see? All right, so he comes, at least from Amazon, he comes anchored actually to the box, so he won't slide out. Yeah, so we actually need to get a screwdriver to get him unanchored. All right, so once I get this screw out, we should be able to just slide him right out. Whoa, and he's really anchored in there. Look at that. Full-on 2-inch wood screw securing him. All right, so I got a little extra hardware if I need it. And then now let's see if we can just slide him right out. Yeah, now he'll just slide right out. Or she'll slide right out. Not sure if it's a he or a her. Oh yeah, now and then he's bagged up as well. So let's get him out of this bag. Woo, it's creepy looking. Pretty lifelike. Whoa. With the large big head, really dark eyes there. And let's stand him up here. He's looking about, I think they listed him at 4.5 feet tall. And they're going to say this on the site, but it's important to note that this does not have a back. His back is completely flat. So it's meant to be like laid down like you're doing an autopsy on him or something like that. But man, is he realistic looking. Now, if you look on most of the sites, they show him standing up with kind of like a stand that they just do not sell. I couldn't find the stand anywhere, but our intention is to actually have him standing up. So I've got to figure out a way to, and I guess I might have found it. I think we can just anchor him up here with a screw and then maybe run a rod down and make a stand. I think I'm going to do a future video coming up on how I actually make a stand to get this guy standing up, because he's actually going to be in one of our rooms actually standing up, kind of menacing the guests as they come through. But if you want to lay this guy down, he is perfect just like this, and he's pretty creepy looking, pretty realistic looking. Again, there's other aliens, but they're much more expensive online. This is a pretty good looking one for the amount of money we spent on them. And you can actually also get package deals sometimes where you get like 6 and get a discount. So from Amazon for 160 bucks, I'd say totally worth it. Again, look out for more videos in the future about this guy and how we're going to use him and other home haunt kind of stuff now and through Halloween. All right, I'll catch everybody next time.